Are you tired of seeing your trading account balance go in the wrong direction? You're not alone. Many traders struggle to make a steady profit, trying different strategies and indicators with little success. But imagine if there was an easy-to-use tool that could finally start turning things around. In this video, I'll be sharing a simple scalping strategy using just 3 optimized indicators. I'll show you how to spot the signals it generates and make quickly trades based on only what the indicators show you. The best part, you don't need to worry about the complex technical analysis or chasing momentum moves. Just follow the signals and have some discipline. If you're sick of ups and downs, of understanding trading and lack direction, this strategy has potential to cut through the chaos and put you on the path. So if you're ready for a straightforward approach and want to start gaining confidence in the market through a simple scalping strategy, then watch the entire video. So to start, head over to the TradingView website and search for the TUTCI indicator in the indicator section to add it to your chart. After setting up this indicator, apply some changes I made. With these adjustments, your chart will become very clear, showing only 2 types of signals: long entry and short entry. Seeing these signals is the first sign that a trade opportunity may be coming. But this signal alone isn't enough. After spotting a long or short signal from this indicator to enter a trade with a high success rate, we also need to confirm these signals in a few simple steps. To confirm, go back to the indicator section and search for the CM-MACD custom indicator to add. The CM-MACD indicator will verify if the first indicator signal really is a great trade chance. Alright friends, after adding the indicator to your chart, head into the indicator settings and select the inputs tab. Then update these values. Set fast length to 21. Set a slow length to 45. And then set the signal smoothing to 14. Next, click the Style tab and uncheck the box for histogram. Now a buy signal will be valid if the blue line on the CM-MACD indicator is below the green line. And a sell signal from the first indicator will be valid if the red line is above the blue line. Also, if those 2 lines are very close together and horizontal, I'd avoid taking any trades. In this example, a sell signal was given and the price went up after that. So not taking that short trade saved us from losses. The next step is trend confirmation. For that, we'll use the colorful moving averages indicator. but we need to optimize its settings. So in the Style tab, disable everything except CMA. Then in the Inputs tab, change T3 volume factor to 1, moving average type to HLM, and the length to 200. With those changes, candles above the CMA line suggest an uptrend in the market, filtering out short signals in that situation, and candles below the CMA line suggest a downtrend in the market, preventing us from taking long trades against the trend. So the rules for entering short trades are: first, you need to see a short entry signal on the chart. Then make sure the trend is downwards, so the price action needs to be below the CMA indicator. Next, check the CMACD indicator for confirmation. The blue line needs to be above the red line. If all those conditions are met, you can open a short position. After opening position, you'll want to set a stop loss to protect your trade. You can use a recent swing high as the stop loss level. And also, to make sure your profit doesn't turn into a loss, exit the trade at the risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. And to enter a long trade, first you need to see a long entry signal on the chart. Next, confirm that the trend is upwards. The price action needs to be above the CMA indicator line. Then, check the CMACD indicator to confirm the signal. The blue line needs to be below the red line. So if all those conditions check out, you have a potential buy opportunity. So once you've opened the long position, set the stop loss below the recent swing low to protect your trade. And when your profit hits 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio, close the position. So at the end, if you're serious about improving your trading and growing a profitable long-term business, I highly recommend watching this video.